You're a maker. You make things. It's time to multiply your creativity with MakerX, a system of flexible, powerful, portable tools, including a rotary tool, angle grinder, wood and metal crafter, mini heat gun, airbrush, plus a power hub to keep them powered on the go.
I love doing projects around the house. Renovations, additions, and simple cosmetic improvements. MakerX gives me the versatility to cut, engrave, sand, solder, polish, paint, everything I need to take my projects to the next level and really elevate my craft.
Where some see trash, I see art. I hate wasting time, energy, and resources. All my MakerX tools connect to the hub, which is powered by a POWERSHARE battery, so I can bring my workshop with me.
Ooh, I'll take that.
And make beauty out of nothing wherever I go.
I'm all about the details, so I need tools that are precise. MakerX puts the power I need into tools that are compact and ergonomically designed, making them easier for me to maneuver and use for long periods of time.
Always more!
The airbrush has a nifty double-action trigger that controls air and paint flow separately, so I can narrow my focus on a big idea.
MakerX is made for makers, from casual DIYers to experts at their craft and everyone in between. The tinkerers, sculptors, woodworkers, designers, engineers, metalheads, papier-mâché masters, and crafters. Makers who want to make better. Spread their wings, bring dreams to life, and make our world more beautiful. Multiply your creativity by the power of X.